What's up, guys? I thought I'd just do a quick video on my new 2020 LT Trail Boss Silverado and just show you some of the stuff I've done to it so far and maybe stuff I'm planning to do in the future. So this is it. Right now it has a 2-inch leveling kit in there. It's got 33 by 12.5 Toyo Open Country RTs for the tires, nice and wide. And then for the wheels, I've got some Ultra Motorsports. I think they're called the Butcher 231. They're nice and black. They're 20 by 9. I believe it's a -18 offset. So it doesn't stick out, but it's just pretty aggressive. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I haven't really done much in the front, except the shorter antenna there. It has 5% tint in the back windows, and it has 20% tint in the front, so it looks good. I have a tri-fold bed cover there. It's pretty nice, it's very convenient, and I just like how the truck sits with the leveling kit as well. And so it's all blacked out. I put some stickers on the back here where it says Chevrolet, the black Silverado letters, and the LT. The chrome exhaust tips I might want to do something about in the future, but for now I think I'll run with it. But yeah, I just like the look of the truck, how it sits right there. I think it looks pretty good. And I also have done a little bit of audio modification here, so you can see up close. I haven't really done anything in the windshield. Don't want to get pulled over for anything. But here in the back we got, sorry it's a little dirty, but two 12-inch subwoofers, one under this seat and then one under the other seat. They're very loud, definitely worth it though. Got the sunroof in there. The Bose sound system sounds great. It's got lots of storage in there. I had to sacrifice some storage because of the subwoofers, but you know, it was worth it. So yeah, that's about it. Trying to think of what else I've done. Planning on getting maybe some lighting in front for the future, maybe like a light bar or something like that, like a dash cam. I don't know, any other small things to do to it, but for now I think it looks pretty good and I'm very happy with it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you guys have. So yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.